Hey guys, so for this video we're gonna be unboxing the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray and digital steelbook from Best Buy. So for the front we have a mixture of, I guess, like a glossy finish, and then all of this is debossed, which is really nice. It looks like the game board. The back, a little plain, and then you have the spine. And then inside we have the 4K Blu-ray and then the regular Blu-ray. And the artwork on the inside is just like the game board. So you have the rules. There's the game board over here. I don't know if you guys want to pause that and check that out. And there's the full steelbook case. So yeah, thanks for watching.